You have got to be kidding me. Some dealerships just don't get it. So we did an experiment over the last 12 months. We took two dealerships of similar size, and the first dealership had a philosophy when it came to hiring new salespeople. Their philosophy was, we're going to hire them, we'll see how they work out, and then we'll decide if we want to invest in training them. Now, they did give them some training, a couple of hours in the conference room on the road to the sale, the steps, and probably made them watch videos on product knowledge, and then threw them out on the showroom floor with live customers. Let them practice and learn with live customers. Well, over the past 12 months, they had 33 salespeople that they had hired and let go that didn't make it. Now, of course, some did. Now, let's take the other dealership. Their philosophy was different. They invested in hiring somebody, and they trained them. Most of them didn't see an up or get on the floor for 2 or 3 weeks. There was role playing. There was live training. We did the right thing. And this dealership hired half the people they needed, and only 3 of them didn't make it through. Think of the cost involved in hiring and firing 33 salespeople over 12 months. The time invested, the lost energy and sales when they're practicing on live customers. Why would you make a commitment to somebody? Why would you do an interview and think this person has what it takes to sell cars and then not give them the proper training and hope that they make out? And then have the philosophy, if they do, then we'll train them. And we all know that if they start selling cars, they're never going to train them. So guess what? They get into that 8, 10, 12 car a month rut. If you're going to take the time to hire somebody to sell cars for you, then invest in them. And you know what? That investment typically will pay off. Good luck, everyone.